ahead and lose number 2. And I'll put my neutral wire. Please drop a comment if you are watching this video right now. Please drop a comment. You can see my neutral wire, I connect it in number 2. Okay. So now we are going to connect our live wire now. For the live wire, I'm using this red wire. So we are going to connect this live wire, this red wire, to number 7 of this timer. So I'll put it this way. You can see it. I'll put it and I'll tight it. Welcome. I've seen your comment. Welcome. Please, if you are following us, please drop a comment, please, and like the video. So now you see, look here carefully, you will see that our neutral wire in number 2 and our live wire in number 7. If you look this diagram also, you can see that number 2 and number 7 is the power, the input terminal. So now we are going to connect these 2 wires to our breaker here. Here is our breaker, this is our live breaker, and this is our neutral breaker. So we are going to connect these 2 wires here. So I'll connect my live wire over here. And my neutral wire here. So now you have seen it now. You can see our live wire to number 7 and our neutral wire to number 2. So now, remember again that number 8, you can see that number 8 and number 1 is the common terminal of this timer. So for you to use this timer, you must loop your wire. You must connect wire to either number 8 this side or number 1 this side. So we are going to use number 8 this side for this training. So what we are going to do is that we are going to loop a wire like this from this number 7, our live wire, to number 8. So if you look here, guys, look here closely, you will see number 8 here and number 1. We are going to use number 8. So I'm going to loop this my wire from my live wire here to this number 8 here. I'm going to loop this wire from number 7 to number 8 here. So let me go ahead and do it. So I'll go ahead and lose this live wire. I'll use this live wire and put the wire. Then you see it, I loop it from number 7, the live wire. Then I'm going to connect this one to number 8, the common terminal of number 5 and number 6. So I'll go ahead and lose number 8 and put the wire. You can see it. So now you can see how I did it. So let me show you something. So please, guys, if you're watching this live right now, please drop a comment and share this video, please. Drop a comment, guys. So let me show you something. Let me use this diagram here and show you something. So remember what I told you that number 2 and number 7 is the coil terminal. This is number 2 here and this is number 7. So let me draw the sign of coil this way. So now remember, this number 2 and number 7 is the coil terminal of this timer. Understand now? And now we connect our power. Let's assume here our power here. We connect our neutral wire, negative sign, to here, to number 2, and our live wire, positive, to number 7. You understand? Then number 8 is common terminal of number 8 is the common terminal of Number 8 is common terminal of number 5 and number 6. Number 5 and number 6. You understand? This is how it look. Number 8 is the common terminal of number 5 and number 6. And number 8 is close. If you look here, you can see that here is close to number 5 and open to number 6. So what this thing means is that if you connect, let's assume now, as this thing is live wire now, you will loop from this number 7 now. The live wire, you loop it from here and connect it to number 8 here. If you look this our connection, you'll see that is exactly what I do. From number 7, I loop to number 8. You understand? You could see it closely now. So now, how this timer work, let me explain it to you. So now, when you switch this timer on, when you switch it on, what will happen is that let's assume you set it to 10 seconds. You understand? When 10 seconds reach, this normally, let's assume you connect your bulb to this number 6 now. When 10 seconds reach, this normally close is going to open, and this normally open will close. This one will open and this one will close, and your bulb will turn on automatically after the time you set reach. So we are going to do it here so that you can see how it works. So now remember, we have connected our wire to number 7 and number 2, then we loop from number 7 to number 8. So what we are going to do now, since number 8 is close to number 5 and open to number 6, we are going to use number 6 because number 6 is NC. So now let's go ahead and locate the number 6. So guys, if you look here, you can see that here is number 6 here. So we are going to connect our bulb to number 6. So let me lose it. Then I'll put the wire to number 6 this way. And I'll tighten it. You can see it. Our bulb to number 6. This one go to our bulb. Then what we are going to do now again is our neutral wire from our bulb. We'll connect it directly to our neutral terminal here. We'll loop it to here. So I'll lose here. I'll put the wire. Please guys, if you're following us, please drop a comment. Please guys, if you're following us, drop a comment and like this video, please. Please drop a comment. Send hi guys. So now you can see it. Now the connection is complete. So let me put the timer and on my breaker for you. So you can see it now. So I'm going to set this thing to, I'm going to set it to 20 seconds. And what this thing means is that this bulb is going to turn on when 20 seconds reach. So let me set it now and turn on. So the timer is counting now. It's counting. It's counting. Guys, just be looking at this bulb, guys. It's counting. You see it? Immediately, 20 seconds, our bulb turn on automatically. So this is how you can use a timer to control your load automatically. This is how you can use a timer to turn on your load automatically. So now, let's assume you want this your bulb here to turn on in 10 minutes, in 10 seconds time. So what you're going to do here is just to look at this and locate 10 seconds and set your timer there. Let me set it here now, and I'll on my breaker, I'll off my breaker and on it again. It will start counting and our bulb is going to turn on in 10 seconds. You see it? Our bulb turned on immediately after 10 seconds reach. And if you look here closely, you will see that when I turn on, you will notice that when I turn on, immediately I switch on this timer, this light here will turn on. Understand? But when the time you set reach, this one here, this up will turn on and this one will turn off. You understand? This one now, when this one turn on, it means that when this one now, So let me show you something again. This is number 8, and this is number 5, and this is number 6. So now, when you on your switch, this red light here will turn on immediately. So now, when the time you set reach, this one here, this up will turn on. So what that means is that when the time you set, if you set it to 10 seconds, when 10 seconds reach, this normally close here will become normally open, and this normally open will close. The moment this normally open close, then this up light will turn on automatically. So that's how 8-pin timer relay work. So let me show you some. Let me turn it on again, and you see that it's on now. So when 10 seconds reach, this one will close and this light will turn on. You see? Have you seen? This number 6 now is now closed, and you see the light is on now because this one here is closed. This one has closed, and that's why our bulb turned on. You understand? Remember that we connect our bulb to number 6. We connect our bulb to number 6. And please, guys, if you are watching this live, please drop a comment. Send me hi. Let me know that you are with me. Please send a hi, please, and like this video. Let me know that you are watching my video. Please, guys, if you are enjoying this video, please send a comment. Drop a comment, please. You understand? So now I believe you understand the chemistry behind this 8-pin timer relay now. So now, if you connect your bulb to number 6, remember that this our bulb here will connect it to number 6 here. So now let's assume that this is your bulb. You understand? This is your bulb here. So this is your bulb now to number 6, and you set it to 6 seconds. 6 seconds. So now, when you switch your breaker on like this, the timer will begin to count. The moment 10 seconds reach, this open here will close. You see, the number 6 is closed, and that's why your bulb turned on automatically. So now, okay, you are welcome, please. You are welcome. Galim, you are welcome, please. Like this video also, and if you have any question, guys, please drop it, please. I want you guys to